Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one tool. It's called LoopCV.pro. So what it does, it helps you to automatically apply for various jobs online by looping your CV across multiple recruiters. So you can upload your CV, select the type of job you want, and press the start. The LoopCV will mass apply on your behalf every single day. So you can upload your CV here. You can select your desired job titles. LoopCV will search for jobs and either apply on your behalf, and it will give you total control of your applications. You can auto apply to jobs. You can get auto email to recruiters. You can measure and improve your results. So this is how it works here. You just put in your search info. You can create an email template. Then after creating the loop, you can just hit submit. So you can put in your experience, email template, preferences. You can review that and you can create a loop. So once that loops works, then you can add changes to it and improvise it. So this way you can automatically apply for various jobs. I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.